Yes, right in front of the lighthouse here. We're going to use this edge of the building right here as the guide. Do it. Do that one more time. This is a virtual reality police scanner. There's a lot of names for this, but it's UVA operations and halo lens. Here, we're going to take this. Put my backpack on. There's some people at the lighthouse targeting my implant that are satellite terrorists. Now, I identified one this morning. This is the lighthouse. You see it's circled around. We're going to go in this direction to the post office. That's another motel right there that Raytheon is being used to target my implant. Even the community center here in Avila Beach, right here. And we're going to stop right in front of it. Right here. Post office has been advised of Raytheon, and the Civic Center here, the community center, has been advised. I noticed Charter Cable and Stanley Security at this location means they're putting the transducers to the transistor in my eye as a nanowire for Project Ariel and UVA operations. They're using a BCI for brain machine interface to target my implant with the lighthouse clients and this client to this motel right here. This place should be deemed a national disaster because you got people that are government and people that are county government, and they're not reporting this to the DA's office.